Want to dive into the world of Solana without the exchange hassle? I'm here to show you how to buy Solana directly within your Phantom wallet in just a few taps. First, open your Phantom wallet and find the Solana or SOL token. You should see a buy button right there. Tap it. Now, Phantom offers a few integrated services like MoonPay and Coinbase Pay to make your purchase. These let you buy SOL directly with fiat currency like USD or choose your preferred payment method. Let's say you pick MoonPay. A window will pop up where you'll enter the amount of SOL you want to buy in your local currency. Ensure that you're buying the correct amount by checking the value in SOL before submitting. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details. This includes your credit card information or other payment options depending on the provider you chose. Rest assured that these are reputable and secure services. Once you've inputted your payment details, review the transaction details carefully to confirm everything is correct and then approve the purchase. You'll likely need to complete a verification step, depending on your payment provider. After the transaction processes, you'll see your Solana balance update directly in your Phantom wallet. That's it. You've successfully bought Solana without ever leaving your wallet. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Happy trading!